Hello! So day 4 now. Feeling really good actually. My muscles don't hurt as much and I can actually walk downstairs without help. So that's really good. Got Zumba tonight, really excited. Me and Naomi are going. Yeah, it's really good. Last night at dumbbells was my traps hurt a little bit. So I feel like I've done stuff and I've worked hard. So I'm really enjoying it and I really hope I can carry it on and I hope to see a lot of you come with me soon as well. So